This is Joe, Southern Coastal Cooking here. We're having a big crawfish boil, shrimp boil, crab boil, whatever you want to call it at the house. Thanking everybody at Anchored Seafood who helped us out get some good crawfish. And then we got also got some shrimp from Long Beach Seafood, and I got some crab from Alaskan King Crab Company. Huge crab legs. Y'all can't wait to see this. But anyway, let's stink the pot up here real quick. We'll put some boil in here. We've got the only boil I use is this Smoky Joe's, Sweet Smoky Joe's seafood boil. It's real good stuff. I'll open that up. I mean, this stuff is amazing. Man, that stuff's like gold. You don't want to spill that. All right, so go ahead and put a bag of that in here. Had this dry sealed. Bust up. That'll be all right. Like that. Put a little bit more. Okay. So it's Sweet Smoky Joe's. I'm telling you what, you can't beat this boil. That's some good stuff there. Put that in there now. Got some lemons. Put some lemon has there. I had some onions somewhere around here. Went to. All right. Got a little bit of liquid. You know, you want to go with your liquid crab. Got to pour a bottle of that. All right, and then grab this here real quick. Got a little bit of cayenne, just to turn the heat up just a little bit. Got about one little bottle of this per batch. All right, and then got some onions. Throw some onion in there. I just did good. Then we're gonna go ahead and get this started, get the boil going, get the heat going, and let that come to rolling boil first, y'all. That's looking good. 3.
Back in the college days at USM, we had a restaurant called Dale's on the corner of 49 and Hardy Street. And the thing about to be a master burger flipper, you had to only flip them one time. And you only flip it when you see the tops of the burgers bleed.
My dad here cooking some burgers for us.
You flip them one time, you don't smash them. So there you have it.
There you go. All right, y'all, here's something we're going to put. Tried green beans, poking holes in a can, letting the juice run out. Put those in the crawfish pot, you know. It'll be pretty neat. So let's try that. See if you can see what I'm doing there. Just let those off in there. All right, I got some of these toes of garlic already peeled. Flash roll, we're gonna put some of this in there. Hey y'all, alright, we're going to do some blackened shrimp just to tide everybody over. We've got some ghee here, some clarified butter. We're going to put that down there on this griddle. And probably should set this on more level ground.
Yeah, we're going to level it up, Joe. We're going to level that up.
Oh, no. Alright, so we got that nice and melted. You want to take this spatula?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, and then we're going to just start going with some of these shrimp and putting them on here, you know, and keep that ghee on them. Now this blackening season is Heaven Made Products. I've used it before on the blackened redfish. Everything else is just fantastic stuff, but you know, this thing I'll do an excellent job of blackening shrimp. The wind's kind of hurting us out here, blowing the heat around, but we'll see what we can do. Come back to you in just a minute once these start to cook.
Oh yeah, man.
All right, they are ready to come off already, y'all. Does that not look pretty? Look at that. Cooks really quick. I'm going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice on them. There we go. That's good. That's good enough right there. That's perfect. He's ready to eat.
Put them all. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going almost. There you go.
That's good.
All right. We're going to dump them in and be right back.
Come on.
All right.
All right, here we go.
About to drop them.
They going in, y'all. I'm gonna set a timer for about 2.5 minutes. After about a minute, I got another surprise to put in there. All right.
All right.
All right, we're about to put these
Big
Alaskan
surprise
king
here.
crab legs in from Alaskan king crab. Put those in there. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, push them down in there.
There we go. Okay, basically just gotta heat those bad boys up. And we got the bull balls over here. We're about to hook up the pipe to cool it down.
Alright, that's off the chain, baby. That's off the chain. Yes, sir.
All right, y'all, we have Robert here from the Boil Boss Company, actually the owner and inventor of Boil Boss, and what he's doing is he's applying this device to the crawfish pot that's going to help them to cool. Look at this.
Oh, cool.
Water.
All right, I'm gonna take this paddle,
Okay.
and while it's spraying, we're gonna stir. Just want to agitate the water. So what agitating is doing is it's getting that cold water and the hot water on the outside going to the outside and cooling it off.
Okay. Oh, wonderful.
I'm trying to talk, Matt. Sometimes in the pot, it's dirty. So you see, I'm able to touch the pot. That's just showing you.
See, my last crawfish bowl, nobody cleaned the pot, so that's why.
That's good. All right, so you see them float. As we cool them, they're gonna start to sink. And we'll take the temperature in a minute or two.
What temperature are you looking for?
We're trying to get to about 150 degrees. That's when that tail meat stops to cook. A lot of guys soak them for that 30-40 minute period, and they let them sit. And they let them soak naturally.
Robert, some people put ice inside the pot here. What is the downside of just putting ice in there other than you just burning your ice up?
So we found that 10 pounds of ice in a pot this size only got the temp to about 185 degrees, so it didn't stop from cooking. And that's over a gallon of fresh water you're putting directly into your recipe.
Oh wow, look how they're sinking now. They're not
Oh,
even
wow, that's cool. Yeah. I'm soaking up that juice.
Yeah.
Out of that.
When you put all that ice in there, all it does is water down your...
Right, so the first thing, the reason the crawfish are sucking up juice is because that temperature's dropping. So the first thing those crawfish sink up when you put ice is that ice water.
So they're sucking up. Right now they're getting straight up slide.
Yeah, they just,
Yeah.
and so on if you're doing a second batch after this and you didn't add ice, you don't have to re-season like you would.
yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah.
So you save money basically on spices and
Yeah,
using it.
I might want to take
$2
this.
a bag of ice. Or $3 a bag.
Where you get $2 bag of ice?
$3 a bag.
Y'all got that thermometer?
Thermometer, yeah, there you go.
Take a read and just see. We're not there yet, but you put this on and start drinking a beer and walk away, you can overcool them.
He said in a minute. He said
Oh, okay.
All right, let's give it a shot. Let's see.
I don't know. Fresh peeled garlic? Oh my God.
177, 180.
Cool.
181. We're getting there.
187?
It's only been a couple minutes.
181, somewhere in there.
All right, we'll give it a couple minutes. We'll come back to you.
Oh yeah.
Okay, they're at 150. That only took about, what, 5 minutes or so?
Yeah.
We're going to pull one out so we can see the juiciness. We'll give it a try.
What do you got?
Perfect.
Perfect. All right, so we let them soak. Now, normally I soak crawfish for 35 minutes. How long we let them soak
You
with
can
this?
go another 5-10 minutes and have
Wow.
that same
Okay.
soak.
Awesome.
That's
All right,
excellent.
we'll let them soak about 10 minutes, I guess, and we'll get them out. There it
It's
is.
in the shape of
We got a reaper chip
it's in
for
the shape of a
intermission here.
casket here.
Let's,
oh my
let's
God.
take it. Take
Y'all
it.
sound like you're making a video already.
We are. All right, hold on. Get it open. Oh, let's see what this thing looks like.
Yeah, I
Oh,
just ripped it open.
all right. Oh my goodness. Oh, is it broken? Two pieces.
It's coming in two pieces.
Two pieces. Hold on.
Look, we got a.
All right, you trying a little bit?
Tito going here.
I think you need another bite and get a full flavor.
Bigger bite.
Oh, there you go.
It's not that bad, right?
Big sweet.
All right, pass it to the left. Chip pass now.
It's really not. Shit.
It's really not.
Do you need some milk?
You gonna need some.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
You gonna need some aloe vera wipes.
Wow.
You
That's hot.
Prios are some crazy people.
That's hot.
All right, well, I'm gonna try a little piece.
Yeah, just it's not that hot, but I mean I've had hotter.
Okay.
Okay, try a little piece of the.
All right, the Satan's toe or whatever.
Just eat the rest of that, Joe.
All right, Joe had a good bite.
Yeah, that's a good bite.
Wow.
Kind of like communion.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Chew.
Not that bad.
Oh, wow. What do you think?
I mean, if you put that, you put that whole thing in your mouth, and it gets you. It bites. It's definitely got some kick.
There it is.
Coming out of your ears.
Fear the Reaper.
Put that whole thing in your mouth.
Keep them going.
Here we go. A little bit of lemon. Yes, sir.
Leave them on there now. We'll put them cook. Spread them jokers out. Oh yeah, let them cook. All right, we're live here now.
All right, here we go. Crab legs and everything. So we'll start down this end. All right. And just kind of walk it down. Oh yeah, look at that. Bull balls right there. Look at that. Oh, look at those crab legs.
Keep them coming, guys. Keep them coming.
Keep them coming.
Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. There we go.
Give me one of them legs. Let's take a look. Let me see one of them legs.
Look at that. Hold on a second. Yeah, cracking one of those legs for us to see. Let's just picture. Oh yeah, I need a picture
Yeah.
of this. Look, lay that down real quick. Let me take a picture of
Crab leg.
Flip it over. Hit the good side. There you
There
go.
you go.
They got some radiation on there.
You're like on steroids.
That's awesome. That claw.
How big is that crab?
Those legs are
Oh,
about 3
gosh.
pounds apiece.
Oh my.
All right, let's try that leg.
How big is it? Real.
Big. Gotta have a little something to take them out of her, Joe.
You got
Let's see
a
here.
peeler? There you go. Just rip it off.
Just kind of, you gotta twist it a little bit. Oh, have the method down, right? All right, one of the ladies come over here and try this.
Mander.
Whoa. Watch this, guys. Watch this.
Oh yeah, look at that
Hey, you get full just
right
off of
there.
that piece right
Meet
there.
ya.
Alaskan King Crab Company. There we go.
Come on, who wants to try something? Come on.
Taste?
I want to try it.
Oh man.
What?
Oh man.
Right, come get you some. Come get you a pinch. Peter, come over here.
Come on. But that's some good stuff right in there too. That knuckle with all the seasoning on
Thank
it.
you.
That's really good. Like, just give me a
Robert.
Oh man.
That's delicious.
Oh man.
That crab.
Good stuff, y'all.
Joe, that's awesome.
Good stuff. All right. All right, y'all. Look, this is a true friend. Look, she is cleaning the pot. So I know y'all saw my crawfish full courtesy video. End up this crawfish, and thank Ashley for cleaning the pot. Thank all the other sponsors here. Appreciate everybody who helped us out. Smoky Joe's Seafood Bull, Sweet Smoky Joe's, and then Anchored Crawfish, and of course Bull Boss coming to help us out. But anyway, that's it.